Good morning, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. So, at home, you are very safe with your parents, isn't it? This is the time to enjoy with your parents. Parents means father, mother, not only father and mother, parents. You are enjoying with your grandmother, grandfather, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, isn't it? So with whole family you are enjoying a lot, isn't it? Yes. So before starting our class, shall I recite the rhymes for you? Okay. Yes. Be ready and recite along with me. Yes, kids. Okay. Shall I start? Yes. I love my family. I love my family. I love you, Mama. I love you, Papa. I love you so much. I love you, Mama. I love you, Papa. I love you so much. I love my family. I love my family. Isn't it? You love your family very much. Okay? You have to share everything with your family members, with your father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, grandmother, and also with your grandfather. So with these members, you have to share everything. When you are happy also, you have to share your happiness. When you are sad, you have to share your sadness. Okay, everything you have to share, children. Okay, now today our class is LS. LS. LS means literacy skills. Literacy skills, nothing but English. English means how to speak, how to write, how to talk with others. Everything you can learn through this LS class. Okay, now today also I came with a family. Do you know with whose family I am here? You don't know? Let me tell you. First of all, you are living with your family now, but for some time you live with our family. Our family means teacher, students, that means your friends, ayahs and co-teachers, everybody. This is our school family. This is our school family, isn't it? So here also you have to make your teachers, friends, everybody happy. Okay. Okay, now show your thumbs up. Show your thumbs up if you are happy. Show your thumbs up. Yes. Now today I am here with A letter family words. A letter family words. First of all, A letter sound. I will repeat you A letter sound first. A sound A. Okay, A sound A. Apple. Aeroplane. Ant. Okay, children. A sound is A. Apple. Aeroplane. Ant. Ant will crawl on the hands and legs, isn't it? It is a small insect. Do you like to eat apple? I like very much eating apple. Apple is in red color and inside it is white in color and it has many seeds. Okay. So, A sound is A. So whenever you see a letter, you have to pronounce it with the phonetic sound. Phonetic sound is a. Okay. Here a. Okay, children. Now only one A I wrote. You may be thinking only one letter, how it will be a family, isn't it? No. With this A, like this is a father, head of the family, like head of the family. Along with A, here I am joining. What I am joining here, you know? Can you guess what I am going to join here? T. T letter. T letter. First of all, what is the sound of A just now? I said A sound is A. A sound is A. And T sound is T. T sound is T. A, T. Et. Both together, these two letter sound is Et. A, T. Et. A, T. Et. Okay, children, are you following me? Now, here are some more words with AT sound. Look here, A, T, A, T, Et. But before AT, I wrote H. Now let me tell you what is the sound of H. First, I will tell you, later you have to repeat with me. Okay? H. H sound is ha, 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 ha. Okay? Ha, a, t. Hat. Ha, at. Hat. As already I told you, A, T sound is et. Et. These two letters before I wrote H. So it became ha, et, hat. Ha, et, hat. Now one more letter. Yes. Look here. What is this letter? B. What is the sound of B? B. Repeat, children. B. 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 At. Bat. B. At. Bat. Once again. B. At. Bat. These two pronunciation you should remember in your mind. First of all. Okay. Later you have to repeat this sound first along with these two letters. Okay. Next. Now what is this one? M. Isn't it? M. N sound is M. M. N sound is M. M. Actually you have to say Okay. At. At. Mat. Repeat with me. At. Mat. M. At. Mat. Next one. What is this? C. C sound is K. 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 At. K. At. K. At. Cat. K. At. Cat. K. At. Cat. Okay, children. Once again, I am repeating all the AT family words. Look here. Ha, at, hat. B, at, bat. M, at, mat. K, at, cat. Like this, you have to read all the words using phonetic sounds of the letters. Don't forget to read them with your phonetic sounds. Okay. Next family word. Next one. A. What is the sound of A? A. A. As I said, no. Apple. A. Next one. M. Next one is M. What is the sound of M? M. 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 A. Am. A. Am. Repeat with me. A. Am. A. Am. I think you learned this pronunciation A and M letter. A. Am. Okay. Next. Here are some more words like A and T. Here also some more words regarding A, M family. A, M, am. Here also A, M, am. But before this am, I wrote here J. J came here to join with am. Okay. Now pronounce. What is the pronunciation of J? Jackal. Jam. Jogging. Jogging. So J sound is J. Am. Jam. Jam is a sweet which we spread on the bread. And we will eat it. Okay. Jam. Jam. One more is there. Yes, one more is there. So now what is the letter here? D. D sound is D. D sound is D. Repeat. D. Dog. Drum. Duck. Quack. Duck. You know the animals, isn't it? Dog. Dog says bow. Duck says quack. Isn't it? So D sound is D. D sound is D. Am. Dam. Am. Dam. Okay, children. Am. Dam. Once again. This sound, J sound is J. Am. Jam. Am. Jam. Here one more. Am. Dam. Am. Dam. Okay. Now up to now we completed A-T and A-M. Okay. Now we are moving to A-N. First of all, as usual, you have to repeat the sound of A. A sound is A. A sound is A. Apple. If you forgot A sound, then repeat apple. Apple. A. And the N sound is N. An. an, an. Repeat, children. An, an. Okay. Now, here also some more words with the an. So, an, an. Look here. Ka, an. See here, C sound is ka. C sound is ka. Ka, an. Can. Ka, an. Can. Next one what? What is this one? P. P sound is pa. 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 An. Pan. Pa. An. Pan. Okay. Next one. What is this letter? S. What is this letter? S. F sound is f. 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 An. Fan. F. An. Fan. F. An. Fan. Next, moving to another letter. What is it? T. What is the sound of T? Th. What is the sound of T? Th. Th. An. Tan. Th. An. Tan. Th. An. Tan. Okay. Once again, I am repeating an words. Look here carefully. Listen, children, carefully. Ka, an, can. Ka, an, can. Now, I am not reading the letters. I am reading with the phonetic sounds. Okay, you also do like this. Ka, an, can. Pa, an, pan. Pa, an, pan. Next one. F, an, fan. F, an, fan. Next one. T, an, tan. T, an, tan. So these are an words. These are AT words. These are AM words and these are an words. Children, did you observe one common letter is there in each and every word? Did you observe? Did you notice that one? What is the letter which is common in all the words? See here, A. Here also see A. So, A is a common letter in all the words. That's why we call these words as A family words. A is a common letter in all the words. That's why we named as A family words. Okay. So, once again I am reminding you children. So, whenever you want to read any letter or any word, just remember their sounds. Okay. See here one more sound I am going to introduce for you. Look here. A. Yes. As. A. Yes. A. Yes. A. What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of yes? A sound is A. S sound is as. As. You have to pronounce it as. 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 One word I am writing here regarding this sound. H, A, yes. What is the sound of H? Ha. Ha. And what is the sound of these two letters? As. As. Ha. As. Has. Ha. As. Has. Ha. As. Has. Okay. Now, so many words you learn now. See here. Some more words. Look here. What is this? You like to play cricket with a bat? Yes, bat. Here also, did you notice? Bat. Starting sound is B. B letter sound is B. AT sound is H. Bat. Bat. And here one more. Meow, meow. Meow, meow came here. What is that? What is the starting letter here? C. A. T. C sound is K. A. T sound is H. H. Cat. Cat. Look here, children. Cat. 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 Bat. Okay. Next one. See here. What is this? Pretty green color car, isn't it? Green color, cute and pretty car. See here. Here also first letter is C. What is the sound of C? K. What is the sound of C? K. What is the sound of A? R. R sound is R. K. R. Car. K. R. Car. K. R. Car. Okay, children. So, one more time. Here is there one more. What is this? This picture is a van picture. This is a van picture. Now here, look. Here first letter is V. What is the sound of V? V. And as already told you, no, N sound is an. An. Van. An. Van. Okay. So we finished at sound words, am sound words, an sound words, as sound words, and also car, isn't it? These all we finished. Shall we go for an activity? Yes. Now look here. So here is an activity. Now see the words. Cat. 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 Now I am placing A here. I am placing A here. Now you see. Pan. Pan. one. Bat. 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 Just now I show you the bat picture, that word only. Next one. Cap. 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 Next I am placing A here. Tap. 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 One more. Mat. 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 Last one. Fan. 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 Cat. Cat. Pan. Bat. Bat. Cap. Tap. Mat. Fan. So wherever I place a letter, you have to read and tell the word. Okay. See, I am placing here now. Read. Cat. Now I am placing here. Mat. Now I am placing here. Pan. Okay. So this is a simple and super activity for you to learn the A family sound words. Okay children. So I am concluding this class. Now we will meet in another class. Until then, bye everybody. Take care. Bye.